Hey, look who's here. Chase Wilsey, millennial investing expert. Would you, if you won that kind of money, would you buy a publicly traded company?
I don't think I would. I think I would diversify and buy a few shares of publicly traded companies.
Why would you do that? You're done. You're done. Your ticket's punched.
Done.
Listen, you
can hire your dad.
Yes. You know what? Just slap around your dad a little bit.
Elder Wilsey, coming down the hallway.
Elder Wilsey. Yeah, I mean, can you imagine? What we're talking about is Brent Wilsey. Wilsey Asset Management is the proprietor of it's Chase's dad. Let's face it, and of course Chase knows almost better than anybody the value of investing, and you're trying to teach your friends that too, aren't you?
Oh yeah.
How's that going?
It's actually going pretty good. Definitely have a lot of friends listening to me now, and
nice.
A few of our clients.
They know you're on national
kids.
TV now too.
They do. They follow me, and a few clients, their kids are kind of trying to get more involved with investing. So hopefully, one by one, we're improving this.
We should put on a seminar.
I'm interested because
let me tell you what Russ is thinking. Me and Chase are. Let's put on a seminar and advance financial literacy.
And I'm thinking.
Hold on. Russ is thinking. College girls.
Yeah. Because you mentioned your friends, I'm thinking, bros or hoes? Who's coming in? I got to know.
Wow. So we were talking about Tesla stock. TSLA is that stock symbol. Yeah. And, of course, Tesla, who was on a tear. Elon Musk Elon Musk is, by the way.
He was on a tear.
Yeah, well, he's the character in which
people were betting
Robert
the jockey,
Downey Jr. is based
not
upon.
the horse on that one.
Well, he is a
touch.
brilliant man.
Yeah.
And when he bought that Panasonic battery factory, but now suddenly
what happened?
The thing has gotten so volatile, and there's so many day traders involved with it. So if you want to look at this thing on a technical basis, it's trading at $212 a share roughly. It was up to $270 nearly just in October.
Something's going to happen though.
It's well below the 50-day moving average. It's well below the 10-day moving average. It's a little bit over, but you don't like this company for a couple of reasons.
There's a few reasons I don't like it. A lot of the millennials like it because it's, next cool thing to invest in. It's like, wow, it's so interesting.
Who are you?
Another thing that they have going for them is they've improved their sales by 30% year over year. But guess what?
What's their books look like?
Oh, their books? Not good. Their net income for the last quarter was negative $230 million. Oops. Their earnings per share were down about 230% year over year. So their earnings are going down, even though their sales are increasing. That's a big concern.
Yeah, not a good time to get in then, huh?
Yeah, another thing we look at too is cash flow.
Yeah.
Their cash flow is extremely negative. Last quarter, they reported cash flow of negative $500 million. And then this is very concerning because I think Tesla could be a company that could possibly go bankrupt down the road.
Oh, what? Nice.
They have 2.7.
He said it right here.
They have $2.7 billion in debt. And I'll tell you too, I took a look at their debt. It's pretty confusing because they're all convertible notes.
So, convertible notes are really dangerous because convertible,
especially on a rainy day.
It's called a convertible debenture, sometimes with warrants. Convertible notes convert the debt. You owe me $1,000.
Okay.
Okay, but if you'd prefer, you can convert that $1,000 into $2,000 worth of stock. Now, what are you going to do if you take that stock?
We're going to sell it.
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
You're going to sell it. And what happens to this? There's only one way to make a stock go up.
Right.
And there's only one way to make a stock go down.
Buy it or sell it and whatever.
We're selling and buying.
So you're selling and no one wants it.
So you're taking the debt off the books and replacing it with a horrible P&L loss by giving up 2 for 1 on the stock.
Yeah, and they did some strange things too where because also what happens in a convertible note is when you convert it to stock, you're diluting the
original shareholders. Right, yeah. So in other words, there's this big piece of profit pie here.
Yeah.
Okay, that we all have. And the more shares you throw in it, your slice gets a little smaller.
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
I mean, that's basically what happens. So this is another, and conversely, if Tesla were to start buying their own stock back, that would be a great sign to the market.
Yes.
People would love that. Mm-hmm. But they could never do it being the financial condition that they're in. They don't have the money to do it.
Exactly. And that's what they're saying is, if these people do convert to the equities, they'll say, we hedge it, we'll buy back our stock. They don't have any money to buy back their stock right now. So, I mean, the way they're kind of structuring their debt is very interesting to me. And I think they're kind of hiding something. And it's very concerning.
Another thing that's concerning is their strategy to get out of it is to play a lot of Powerball.
Yeah, exactly.
Not good.
Yeah, that's not a good thing. Do you like anybody in the automotive side? I haven't looked at any automotive stocks in a long time. You looked at any of them, like
GM?
Toyota or GM?
Yeah. General Motors is actually a pretty strong company. They have a great balance sheet, and coincidentally, they also went bankrupt a few years ago. But,
Right.
And what's interesting is they took some government money, they paid it all back with interest, and they were able to succeed.
Yeah, they kind of hit the restart button, and now they're actually looking pretty good going forward, and kind of bring back Tesla going bankrupt. Like GM, if Tesla goes bankrupt, that doesn't mean the car's gone.
What do you think the fatal flaw for Tesla was? They got too much debt.
They got too much debt, and
Probably grew too fast. They didn't have the cash flow to grow as fast as they were growing.
yeah, and I mean, they spend a ton of money on research and development, which is great.
Yeah.
But they don't have the money to spend on research and development, and they have all these plants that they're building. And I saw them kind of build a self-plug-in charger, and I was like, wow, that's so cool, but kind of a waste of money in my opinion.
Who's going to buy one? Yeah. Chase, thank you so much, Chase Wilsey, the millennial investigator. He's getting smarter. You noticing this?
Oh, yeah.
As he's moving forward, he's getting smarter and smarter. He's going to turn to it. You could be a turnaround expert. You know what that is?
I do not.
Okay, well, guess what? Take a lesson, kid.
You heard
Finally
it.
stumped the puncturepreneur. Chase Wilsey, you go to Wilsey Asset Management.
By the way,
Get your kid to have a conversation with him, please.
What family is this? Anyway?
It's not Brent's
even
or
you.
Chase's.
There he is. There's Dad,
there's a
and then
good
this
dad.
weird family he's got in Utah. That's where Elder Wilsey is.
We're going to make any money this year?
With his other. We'll see.
We'll see. That's right. We'll see. Thank you, Chase. Good stuff.
Thank
We're going to
you.
do a seminar together.